which of these functions has this as its series? This looks like the sine series, except the sine series have terms that alternate in sign, and these don't alternate, so it's not the sine series. And the series for negative sine of x would also alternate, so it's not that one. It has to be one of these. This is the series for e, which we can think of as a function g of x. So g of negative x would be e to the, and the input goes there, e to the negative x. And if we input negative x into this function, everywhere we see an x, we put a negative x. These terms will be positive, and these terms will be negative. So e to the negative x is this series. So whether our answer choice is B or D, we have to subtract e to the x minus e to the negative x. Black minus the green. What do we get? E to the x minus e to the negative x. Black minus the green. All these black terms minus all the green terms. So minus 1 minus a negative x minus x squared. So all the green terms change sign, and we get... So the black terms minus 1 right there. Black x minus a negative x right there. X squared over 2 factorial in black minus x squared over 2 factorial, x cubed over 3 factorial, minus a negative x to the third over 3 factorial. You can see what's happening. Let's go ahead and simplify. 1 minus 1 is 0, x minus a negative x is 2x. This term minus that term is 0, x cubed over 3 factorial minus a negative x cubed over 3 factorial is positive 2x to the third over 3 factorial, and we get this forever. So we're pretty much done with this problem. Because this is equal to e to the x minus e to the negative x, but we're trying to find the series for f. So if e to the x minus e to the negative x, which is in both of these possible answers, is this series, to represent f, we'd have to multiply all of it by half. Because then we'll get x plus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x to the 5th over 5 factorial, etc. We'll get f. So had to be choice B. And I hope this video helped.